Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to use SumIF function in Excel. Okay, so what I have here is the products, about 25 records of products, and I also have whether the product is old or new product. Okay, and also the respective sales raised in that particular month. Okay, so what I have here is that I want to use the SumIF function and do some calculations and show you how the SumIF function works. Okay, so now I show to you here how to use the SumIF function. For that I have a question here: sales raised by the product Alice Mutton. Okay, I want to know the total sales raised by the product Alice Mutton. Okay, so I have the product here, sales here. Okay, so how to do this one? Okay, total sales raised by the product Alice Mutton equal to sum if. Okay, the range is that where you want to check the criteria. Okay, so what I am going to do is I am going to check this one. Okay, this is the range involves in criteria. Okay, this is the one I want to check it, Alice Mutton. Okay, what I want to check, the name is Alice Mutton or not. Okay, so this is the full set of products, and I want to check it is Alice Mutton or not. Okay, if it is Alice Mutton, then I want to sum it up. Okay, I'm checking this is the actual range which I want to check it in the criteria. Then I want to sum it up. What I need to sum it up, I need to sum it up the sales. Okay, this sales sum range is optional. It shows optional. Why? Because if the condition where you check it itself is the summing up values, then you no need to specify again. Okay, in this case the column is different because you are checking on the product but summing up the sales. If you are checking on the sales itself, if sales is criteria is greater than $1,000, all those sales greater than $1,000, sum it up, then you can use the you no need to specify again the sum range. Okay, in this case you need to specify the sum range. Okay, then this is the criteria involved range, this is the actual criteria, and this is the range. Then enter, you will see the total sales raised by the product Alice Mutton is 11,959. let's see whether it is correct. Alice Mutton, okay, this one plus Alice Mutton, this one plus Alice Mutton, this one plus Alice Mutton, this one. Okay, now you can see 11,959. Okay, so this is the way you can write a SumIF function to sum it up some values if a particular condition is satisfied. This condition can be straight away it is the name or anything, or you can also sum it up the values. Okay, I will show you another example. I want total sales, but I'm putting it instead of the product where by sales, where the sales itself is greater than $1,000. Okay, wherever the sales is greater than $1,000, you add it up and show me the total sales. Okay, so how to do this? Again, sum up, SumIF then the range is nothing but a sales. And the criteria is greater than 1000. Okay, so the criteria must be enclosed by the double quotation. Okay, then sum range is nothing but the same sales range, so you no need to specify now. Okay, that's why it is optional. Enter. See, so it is adding those values greater than 1000 only. Okay, so that is the value 52,238. Okay, so now I will show you one more example, old and new values of product. Okay, I want the sum of, okay, before that I put a header, new, old. Okay, products. Okay, total sales of new or old products. Okay, so I put a old product and new. Now equal to SumIF. The criteria range is this one. Okay, then what is the criteria? I want the old values which is in this cell, so this way you can refer the cells also. And what is the range? I want to add the sales. Close the bracket, enter. So this is the sales for old products. Okay, for new products is also the same, range is the same, criteria is new, and the sum range is the sales. Close the bracket, enter. You can see it is 2128. Okay, let's see is correct. What is the sum? Overall sum, old and new, is this 55,356. Okay, we will do sum here, overall sum, just for the checking purpose. The whole range is sum, the same thing, 55,356. Okay, so this is the way you can use the SumIF function to calculate your own conditional sum. Okay, sum function adds all the values, but SumIF function does criteria, and it compares and checks whether the condition is true. If it is true, then only it will add that particular cell value. If it is not true, then it will go for the next record. Okay, hope this example is helpful to you, and see you on the next video, and God bless you.